After watching the repair video on our homepage, this time, steal the money from his daughter-in-law to buy him. Xiaomi Jade won this $1 million imported luxury car. Audi A6 4.2-liter Steppenwolf. Unexpectedly after starting. There were red fault lights, and even leaves in the engine that leaked oil. See how we found out? Restore this car to its former $1 million before the fans were discovered by the daughter-in-law. Luxury car stance. Not much to say, it gets on. Start dismantling the mechanical parts now. At this time, you can clear all the speed limits on the car. We will refurbish the radiation for the line technique you played. The current body needs to be cleaned first. You can't let go of the corners. Then rub the dirt on it with a special cleaning agent. The next step is the body's turn to dry ice. I'm alive. At this time, we can see that the masters have completed the body, reinforcement, and road repair. This headlight has also been replaced, and the underside of the car, after the rib is splashed over, the chassis armor, anti-knock, anti-rust, and anti-corrosion. Keep your car safe then. Send it to the off-plan room to polish the paint surface. Small parts can't be missed either. The unfinished body still needs to be replenished with a layer of putty before spraying medium coating primer. Waiting to dry. After the primer is sprayed halfway through, it can be sent to the off-plan house for the next step. The master can start spraying. After blending the lustful paint, this issue is still the water-based phase of the BASF. One last time, relatives of the BASF parrot. Ensure that the final paint surface achieves the best mirror effect. We also need to use different mesh, numbers of special sandpaper, for paint to reflect more finely on the paint surface. Put on the abrasive and continue to polish. In the end, the effect is not bad. This is the end of this car body renovation and repair. In the next issue, we will focus on the repair process of the engine and gearbox. Looking forward to hearing the roar of this $1 million luxury car again. Without further ado, go straight to the doctor. Engine and gearbox separation completed. Now let's disassemble and inspect the outside of the engine. There are some tricks hidden in this engine. All I need is you criticize, you don't analyze me. 'Cause you can see what I'm trying. This spark plug is a bit serious about carbon deposition. Replace them all with new ones. The next step is to send the engine to the gold processing workshop for further demolition. Things that I've seen overjoyed over you overnight. and that really makes it a little bit more difficult to fix. But the harder the challenge, the more it motivates us to keep working. Hey, this old oil is still coming out. The lifespan of this camshaft should also be limited. The last step is to remove the piston. All the original accessories bags we ordered have also been in place. This engine steel also needs to be cleaned spotlessly. Carried out a fine renovation of the national disaster. Dedication to talk can see what I'm trying to be. I've been lost and I've been blinded. By all the things that I've seen, overjoyed over you. This time the cam is much more slippery than before. Replace piston ring. Remove the old gas ring and install the new trachea first. The demonstrated piston is not bad, give it to him first. This steel state is much better than before. We also have to arrange the original torque in place. Test hands-on after piston installation. All accessories are arranged. Engine unit assembly completed. Wait for the subsequent transmission refurbishment to assemble and combine. At this time, a master in another workshop is repairing the gearbox. Take a small notebook and write it down together. If you want to power the German ZF gearbox, also remove the bracket on the outside of the gearbox. Remove one of these and we'll deal with it later. This old oil is enough to make a table of dishes. Take the oil next door first. Oil into the plate requires follow-up testing to determine whether... Then test the oil pressure. This step is to test the pressure relief problem of the clutch bone and brake bone. After the oil pressure test, start dismantling the remaining part. This scam has a bad memory. There are traces of later rewelding. Drive the car to check the internal situation. Let's give him a minor surgery. Keep dismantling the rest. We found that the quality of these back seals is a bit poor. Let's shave them off first, reseal later. It is difficult to rely on manpower to remove it, and we will seal you with a special machine. These are the parts removed from our gearbox. Let's send these parts to a special cleaning pool and give them a good bath. For larger parts like steel, let's wash them well with ultrasound. Attend the finished parts ultrasound and review it again. After repeated cleaning, our steel has to go through the last cleaning project. Get ready for it. After drying, send it to the overall injury. Kill completed. Now the torque converter on the side is ready for surgery. The most important thing is the elasticity of this locking piece, and the replacement of the aging rubber ring. First, scrape off the aging marks of the locking piece. Sand and clean up. Screw and glue. Replace the matte material. Put it in a special heater for heating. Index finger fit. In this way, the lock paper has been refurbished. Replace the new rubber sleeve and then re-weld and install it. And that's pretty good, right? The master on the other side is ready to start assembling the gearbox. This is where I finally came to understand what mechanical aesthetics is. This might be called male romance. Regression-proof start installation. During the period, you still need to test whether the oil pressure is normal. You can see here that our gear pieces are working normally, and the Avery numerical test is normal. You can continue with the remaining installation steps. Assembly is complete. Finally assembled our complete combination of engine and transmission. This concludes the current engine and transmission refurbishment. The next issue will bring you the perfect style of this Prairie Wolf.